Taking a look here at the next major chapter within South Korean golf history. We'll have to take a look at the post-war revival and national foundations. And starting us off in the 1960s to 1980s. That is, after the devastation of the Korean War, golf was a non-factor in a country that was focused on rebuilding. In the 1960s, the economy began to stabilize and sport slowly re-emerged, primarily as a pastime for the country's new elite. The formal to formally promote the game, the South Korean Golf Association, the KGA, was founded in 1965. This was a critical step in the creation of a governing body to organize professional and amateur tournaments for talented national golfers within the country. The KGA's first major golf tournament was the Korean Open, which was held in 1968. The golf tournament provided a national championship and a platform for Korean golfers to compete. It served as a symbol for the golf and as a surgeons, and more importantly, a way to gauge the process of local golfers against both domestic and international competitors. This was also focusing then the next big chapter, which was the dawn of the women's game of golf. The groundwork for Korean future dominance in golf was held at the women's golf level. In 1988, the Korean Ladies Professional Golf Association was established. This created a structured tour for women professionals, allowing them to compete and develop their skills without having to travel abroad immediately. This first superstar was Ok-Hee, who was the first Korean to win the American LPGA Tour in 1998, years before the breakthrough of another superstar, Repak's breakthrough year. She was a dominant force on this league and in the early years paving the way for the next generation. Now we have the Say Repak effect, which was the moment of national hope. This was in 1998. Some of the most single or the most pivotal movement in Korean golf history and perhaps the most impact event in modern golf sports throughout Korea was when Say Repak's victory in the 1998 U.S. Women Open. She was just a rookie on the LPGA Tour when Park entered a sudden death playoff with another competitive amateur. This dramatic two-hole playoff captivated a country which was then midst of the 1996 Asian financial crisis. This was one of the most iconic events with the 18th hole playoff. Facing a difficult shot from the edge of the water hazard, she famously took her shoes off and socks to hit a ball from the water. This image of standing bare feet showing the sense of pride to give it all they have through a struggling time to overcome potentially country's financial hardships. The shot became a symbol for the national resurgence and hope emerging and countless young Korean women all around the world to take up the sport and become the next superstar through the next generation and would go on to dominate women's sports for decades to come. This was a big effect, and it's a good time to say, make sure you subscribe down below.